6 a.m. in the morning. Mary, say hi.
Hi.
How are you feeling? We got late because of you.
We're late because of you.
No, I was on time.
Fall asleep after.
गुस्सा जाती है महारानी. So हुआ क्या? मैं पूरी रात जगा रहा, नींद नहीं आ रही सब कुछ, और मैं 6 बजे सो गया भाई. 6 बजे मैं सो गया और इसने मुझे कॉल किया. वो तो मैंने कॉल उठा लिया, वरना मैं कुंभकर्ण करा मैं कॉल भी नहीं उठाता. इसने मेरे कॉल उठाया. ये आ चुकी थी यहाँ पर, पार्किंग में गाड़ी लगा चुकी थी, और तुम्हारा भाई जो फौजी की तरह नहाया है ना एकदम से, उठो नहाओ और आओ भाई, वही किया. अब बाल बनाने के लिए क्या भाई को जरूरत ही नहीं है, उंगली कंगी है. Mary, where are we going? So it's in Quebec and it's a wildlife safari kind of thing. अब basically क्या है कि आप अपनी गाड़ी में जाते हो and you do a wildlife safari and you can interact with the animals around. You can feed them and so. Hey, did you bought carrots?
Yeah.
अभी मुझे डांट पड़ी है कि मैं ऑटो में इससे बात ना करूं, क्योंकि हम ऑलमोस्ट अभी एक लाल बत्ती स्किप करने वाले थे. मुझे कभी कभी लगता है कि चूतिया बना रही है, ऐसे आती है संग में हिंदी बात नहीं करने में, बात नहीं करने ठोक देगी.
For 7.
Oh yeah, we have a lot of resources. You just name it. You.
The maple syrup is like the water we get from the tree.
Yeah.
We boil it.
Yeah.
It's to make the syrup. That's it.
Yeah.
Second biggest country in the world.
Yeah.
We have one of the most big amount of clear water in the world.
Uh-huh.
We have the most
Okay, clear water.
clear water.
भाई clear water. यमुना याद आ जाती है मुझे. Okay.
We have more lakes than every other country. And
Yeah.
Quebec has more lakes than every other province in Quebec. And
Oh.
in Canada.
Yeah, like Canada has a lot of water reserves, right?
Yeah. It's one of the biggest ones.
Like
We
clean
have-
water reserves, if you talk
Yeah, and we
about.
have energy too. Because of the water, we have alien. Like
Alien?
Alien. Alien. Aeolian.
Okay, I thought
Like
alien.
the wine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Talking about wind turbines. And in French they call it alien.
Aeolian.
Alien.
A-O-E-N.
बताओ, wind turbine को alien कहते हैं. अरे छोरी पागल से है.
Allô? Ouais, merci toi. J'ai les 2 billets. Est-ce que je suis un peu loin? Moi oui. Moi, excuse-moi, non, lui oui.
दीदी क्या बोल रही, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, कसम से कह रहा हूँ.
Ok, c'est bon. Merci. Bonne journée. We can feed the bison and
Yeah.
the male with the panache because it's the like reproductive seasons.
Mating season?
Yeah, mating season.
तो भाई ये मीटिंग सीजन है. दीदी ने कुछ बोला लेकिन समझ में नहीं आया. We have carrots which we will feed the bison.
It's like fucking big cow.
Fucking big cow.
Yeah, like freaking huge.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's massive. Like
It's not cow actually. I would
no,
rather
it's
call
not
it a
cow,
buffalo.
It's buffalo.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
wild buffalo.
Yeah. You can feed the one with the like
The horns.
yeah.
So what if the other one comes in and I have to say no to them? Like no, you can't have it. So I can't feed these, right?
They are all coming here.
I cannot feed these.
You
feed this one. You can feed. You cannot feed the one with the horns.
Okay.
Like
Oh! So they have spotted us and they're coming towards us basically because they know that we are going to feed them. Yeah, I know, they're cute.
what?
Okay. अरे रुक जा अरे तो भगा रहा है यार, ये गलत बात है। अच्छा मैं देता हूँ इधर आ। Yeah.
This one. Yeah, this one.
It's your turn, buddy. Come on, you just had one. Don't be greedy, guys.
This one is huge. Like, look at this one. Here you go. Oh, good boy. Oh, you boo boo. You boo boo. You boo. Oh my God.
Okay, sorry. नहीं.
It's like go away.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
God.
It's his turn. Look, they are fighting. This guy is wicked. he just pushed him away. He's like, fuck you.
Oh.
It's my turn. What if he licks?
They can lick.
Oh fuck! Look at that. You should better go from here, you know. ये किया है इन्होंने, देखो। You know what? I'll give you half and half. Take this, you take this, and you take this. Come on! Don't be greedy! Come on, dude. Come on, it's his turn. Just let him have it. Hey! Okay, go, you. Okay.
Like it was the last one.
Really?
There's no more carrots.
Okay, no more carrots. How do you say that in French?
Good carrot. You find me here. And you move. Ow! It's a reindeer. Oh no!
What did you do?
There's some over here.
Here?
Right here.
इसने बंद कर दिया, उसके बाल रह गए हैं. Fuck. Look at it.
Oh, so cute! It's disgusting.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my
The saliva is all over the window.
They drool a
Sorry,
lot.
bye.
They drool a lot.
They drool a lot, yeah.
It's lonely.
Yeah, wait. But like it's all wet.
Just push it inside.
So violent, come on. Yeah, huh? What do you want?
He's
Sorry.
Like, no carrots? Bitch. Bitch, go away.
So you have done piercings, you know that? How do you say oh my god? Go.
Oh my God. Girls. Hi, girl. Oh, hi, girl. You're fucking disgusting.
तो भाई सामने जो है ना लड़ाई चल रही है, देखो, और ये ऑडियंस भी बैठी है बगल में. आप नहीं देख रहे फाइट? आइए.
I'm gonna bring him home.
I've never seen a reindeer pawn. Come on. I've never seen a live pawn before.
You're not gonna see that today.
Why?
For sure.
Why?
Like not because I don't want to. Like
Yeah, because you want to see, right?
no.
Yes, you
Like,
said.
okay, it's like that. And
No, it's not like that.
yeah. When they meet, it's take like
How do you know so much about that?
10 seconds. I see video.
10 seconds. They're weak.
Yeah.
You guys are weak. 10 seconds, she says. तो यहाँ पे बाइक्स में बेसिकली वो रहे वो दे। सो भाई वो गुट बना के उधर बैठे हैं सारे के सारे, वहीं जा रहे हैं हम। Say the name again.
Of that?
Yeah.
Chevreux ou chevreuil?
So अभी हम लोग रुके आके, बेसिकली ये रेस्ट रूम वगैरह यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारे ये सब चीज़ें बनी हुई हैं, इधर स्टोर्स हैं और काफ़ी चीज़ें जो मैं नहीं पता। What do you call that?
Becos.
Becos. So टॉयलेट जा रहे हैं सिंपल, इन सिंपल टर्म्स। What is this?
Baby shoes.
This is a baby shoe.
Un mocassin.
Oh, देखो बच्चों के शूज हैं।
So cute.
This is cute. This one is cute. मुझे बकरी दिखा रही है। तुम्हारे इंडिया में भी है, कहती नहीं कनेडियन बकरी है। बाय गाइस, बाय। सफर के अंतिम चरण में खत्म हो गई है पार्क। सो सनी टुडे राइट, सो गुड। वरना होता नहीं है ऐसा, यहाँ पे मौसम ना ऐसे बदलता है चुटकियों में। पिछले 2-3 दिन से बिल्कुल ग्रे सा मौसम हो रखा था, कोई धूप नहीं निकल रही थी, बारिश हो रही थी और टट्टी वेदर, एकदम टट्टी वेदर हो रहा है।